There'll be a number of presentations made, and then the 4x4 will probably not be run for another 20 minutes. So there's going to be about a 20-minute break.
Yeah, it's set for 8:05, but we'll see how things pan out.
In lane 7, Lanita Thomas representing Puma.
Yeah, in lane, Lanita Thomas of University of Texas now representing Puma, NCAA 4x1 gold medalist last year.
In lane number 6, the national champion, world champion over this distance, 21:41. She is the fastest Jamaican ever at this event. Second fastest of all time, Shericka Jackson.
21:41, double world champion at the 200 meters. She even has Olympic medals at 100 meters, fastest in this field.
In lane number 5, representing University of Texas, El Paso, Nisha Berger.
Former Excelsorian, a NACAC under-23 4x1 silver medalist. She is quick.
Clarendon College, used to run a lot of 400 meters, now focusing on the 200.
In lane number 3, also representing University of Texas, Kevona Davis.
2 times NCAA 4x1 gold medalist, a world under-18 100 meters bronze medalist, 22.26 at her best. She has gone 22.84 this season.
In lane number 2, representing Sprint Tech, Jodine Williams.
Representing well for Sprint Tech, 11:01 in the 100. She's going to have to try to get below 22.5 in this 200 meters to be in the top 3.
And in lane number 1, representing MVP Track Club, Natasha Morrison.
Natasha Morrison has had more success at 100 meters. She's an Olympic 4x1 gold medalist, 22.74 at her best. She has gone 22.53 this season, comes in with 22.86.
Fastest Jamaican this year, 22:31 by Brianna Liston. Lene Thomas in this race is the second fastest Jamaican this year. She has run 22:36. And finally, Nisha Berger, also in this race, 22:44, the third fastest Jamaican this year. So Liston not there. Shericka order we expect.
And the world lead 21:78, Gabby Thomas of the USA in the semifinals of the US Trials.
Women's 200-meter final. The set position. Away they go. The fastest woman alive over 200 meters, and the national record holder, Shericka Jackson, was away well. The world champion will look to spring off the top bend. Thomas and the company look to come forward. Kevona Davis is trying to mount a challenge as well. So too Dejanay Oakley. Shericka Jackson will look to step forward. She's under a bit of pressure, but the reigning world champion retains the local sprint double, and she becomes a 4-time national champion over 200 meters. She gets the job done. Unofficially, it's 22.27 seconds. Rounded up now to 22.29. That makes her the fastest Jamaican over the distance this year. And it's Shericka Jackson, the reigning world champion, reigning supreme. Thomas took second, 22:34. Very, very close finish it was.
Running on the instructions, it's very clear what her coach said to her. The only thing you're to do is win. Run as conservatively as you can to win. If you look at her with 100 meters to go, equal with Berger as well as Lene Thomas, she did not go into overdrive at this point. She's simply stepping. The instructions, run to win. Do nothing more than win the race, and that's what Shericka Jackson does. 1, 2, 3, Shericka wins. Lene Thomas, she has her Jamaican passport now. She should have no problem getting onto the team. And Nisha.
Tension has gripped the National Stadium. Women's 100-meter final. What are we about to see? We'll know in a matter of just over 10 seconds after the race gets underway. Sterling lineup. And the slight push in the set position. Off they go. Very, very good start by Shericka Jackson. Natasha Morrison is on the premises. Tom Sahira is knocking on the door as well. Step forward, Shericka Jackson imperiously. And she steps away in black national champion. Big performance on the big occasion. We wait for the official time.
10.65!
10.65! Wow, what a performance! New world leading, new personal best, a stunning, superlative, and scorching display of sprinting.
The women's 200-meter final at the 2024 Jamaican National Trials stood out as one of the most anticipated races, featuring several of the nation's top-tier sprinters. Shericka Jackson, the reigning world champion, entered the race as the favorite, having previously set a national record of 21.41 seconds. Though her current condition was the subject of debate, she successfully retained her national crown, further cementing her dominance in the event. Lene Thomas, competing for Puma, claimed second place with a time of 22.34 seconds, while Nisha Berger finished third in 22.44. Jackson's run was characterized by a controlled and deliberate approach. She followed her coach's plan closely, running just fast enough to secure victory without overexerting herself. In the final meters, she stayed composed and avoided any unnecessary acceleration. Her smart execution reflected her experience and strong tactical understanding. Nonetheless, Jackson's form sparked ongoing discussion among fans and analysts. Observers pointed out the absence of her usual explosive speed and suggested she may have intentionally eased off. Concerns about an injury escalated after her eventual withdrawal from the Paris Olympics. Some fans expressed frustration, questioning the decision to race at the trials if she wasn't in peak shape. They argued that her spot might have better served a young, ambitious athlete looking to represent Jamaica. On the other hand, supporters defended her, asserting that as a seasoned champion, she had earned the right to gauge her own readiness. Racing while not fully fit may have been a way to test herself under pressure and inform her future plans. Whatever the opinion, her presence highlighted the physical and mental hurdles elite sprinters must face when balancing fitness with competition. In spite of the speculation, Jackson's status as one of track and field's leading figures remains unchanged. Her 2023 season was exceptional, with consistent top-tier performances across multiple events. Her only significant setback came in the 100 meters at the World Championships in Budapest, where Sha'Carri Richardson surprised the field with a powerful finish from an outside lane. Outside of that, Jackson remained largely unchallenged, reinforcing her reputation as a specialist in the 200 meters. Looking ahead to 2025, fans are hopeful for her full return to form. If she recovers completely, Jackson could become a serious contender to break the long-standing 200-meter world record. Many believe she possesses the skill and determination to surpass Florence Griffith-Joyner's legendary 21.34-second mark. With the right training and careful injury prevention, Jackson may be capable of making history next season. Jamaica's sprinting tradition continues to captivate audiences, with rising talents gaining attention and veterans like Jackson holding their ground. As future events draw near, the spotlight will stay on Jackson, as fans eagerly watch to see if she can overcome recent challenges and add new triumphs to her remarkable career.